Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock secured folder in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to log your secured folder, so let's see how can you do that. Here you can see there's my secured folder and there is no any lock on it. Now if you want to lock it, you can simply tap on these three dots here and then select lock and exit. In this way you can manually lock your secure folder. Now whenever you want to open secure folder you must have to enter your password or pattern and then you can easily access your secure folder. Or if you want to lock this automatically, just select the three dots, then go for settings, and here you'll get the auto lock secure folder option. Just tap on it, and from here you can easily select each time I leave an app or when screen turns off. You can select that option which you want. Now whenever you leave the app, your secure folder will automatically will be locked. You can see I have left my app, not tap on it, and as you see there's a lag. So in this way you can easily lock your secure folder in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.